Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Hagerman Valley Inn. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Hagerman Valley Inn is located in Hagerman. Free Wi-Fi access is available. Each air-conditioned room here provides a TV, a balcony, and a microwave. The private bathrooms are equipped with a bath or shower. Extras include an outdoor seating area, bed linen and cleaning products. The property offers free parking. A number of dining options can be reached within 6 minutes walk. Hagerman Fossil Beds National Monument is 7.5 miles from Hagerman Valley Inn. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.